clouds over there. Look it. Those are going so fast.
Watch how fast these clouds are moving. Watch it.
Wow.
That is amazing, right?
They're zipping along.
Look at them, Cole. Watch
They're
them.
like fast as a car.
Watch them.
Well-
They are, Cole. You got to figure. What do you say, Papa? 60 miles an hour?
60 miles.
60 miles an hour.
Woo!
Clearing up back in there.
Alright, David, you're gonna make people sick doing that shit.
Nobody likes watching videos like that shit.
Well, I'm just gonna stand right here.
Stationary right there.
I know, it looks like they're breaking up. It's a split. Whoa, look at these clouds! Right there. Right there, guys. You cannot believe what it's like out here. My mother is shivering. My mother does not want to see scene. But, woo! Look at those trees.
Driving in the condition
Watch that bird.
You'd rather follow them? That bird is having such a struggle right now. Whew. Look. It's like, here, I'll walk over here. That's what was right in front of us earlier. Now it's like that over there. Whoa, look at that. Sorry guys if you can't see most of the content. I'm the only one out here. Mom, cover your face. Me and my mom are out here still. We are the brave ones. I call tornadoes silly willies.
Look at it over here. See
Whoa.
where it's coming. See what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Go check that out.
Okay.
Those clouds over there.
Whoa. Look at those clouds. Look, it just stopped. It's starting to slow down, guys. These are our neighbor's cars, and those are my mom and my grandpa's cars. Huh? Okay. Okay, guys. Out.